what's up? Master Mel back here with another video. We're going to kick a little bit of butt. Took my kill. You took my kill. Savage. Savage.
Oh, take it.
No! I'm gonna pick you up as fast as I can. No, watch out, Clovelet!
Oh, come on! Go! Ice Cold Killer 7.
What kind of name is that, lad? Somebody once told.
You cannot think of.
Why am I using a shotgun? I'm gonna get banned, but who cares? Yeah, the silver said no shotguns.
Didn't? It wasn't even rented by anybody.
Yeah, I know. Oh, shoot.
Oh, great. Should I try to, use my, hair torch thing?
Yeah, try it.
Wait, 1 second, I just need to get right behind them. I was exactly right behind them, but you know, desperate measures call for desperate times. Turn on the generator. So,
Oh, is that it? Ah, let's go. Let's go for B.
alright. I see a tank, apparently.
That's not a tank. Get wrecked, son.
Oh, watch out.
Send the charge on objective Bravo.
No, don't get it. Don't kill me. I didn't do anything.
Get back up! Get back up!
Oh, dang it, you.
I didn't kill you. Yeah, we're going.
I'm trying to get a kill, like 8 more kills with my pistol.
For what?
It's not working. To get this like one sight for it. I don't know why I'm just wanting. Run, mammal, run.
Ah! This looks like a freaking.
Oh jeez, one guy just gets shotted. Get shotted.
Get shotted. Let's go get B.
I shat on him.
Ow, ow, ow! Behind us, they're going. Oh my god, there's a lot of them behind you. Just keep running. Don't pay attention to them. Save yourself.
Where? I don't see any.
Ah, yeah, but.
Wait, come here. Come here. Thank you. I got.
Where am I getting shot from?
I don't care. Just leave.
I'm trying to control. Ow! Ow! I can't move. I can't move. I need you to repair me. Now I can move.
Repairs. We need repairs.
Okay. It's good.
Go.
Ah, let's go. Wait, I can't even go in there. I'm a big fat ass. Woo!
Try.
My tank is disabled. Oh, I'm gonna die. Clovelet!
I'm sorry. I need to get out.
Please don't kill me, I'm a little boy. off of me.
Neverland?
Get off of me. Get off of me.
We've set the charge on objective Alpha.
I don't believe that you're from Neverland. Here, let me, okay, thanks, man. Just trying to prepare you. Some guy.
No shit. Over, I'm not in it.
Thanks for telling.
No. Oh wait, Uh-oh. Did somebody take it? Hope not.
I did. About to die. Bears.
Ah, my body.
I'm the bear man.
You frickin' teabag!
Not a
You
bear
motherfucker.
man. I didn't do anything.
No, not you. Oh my god.
Someone just died.
I died. My body flew. You better go in there.
You want this,
No, you have it.
Okay.
It's a gift.
Oh,
from-
someone took it. Thanks, bro. Oh, thank you.
Are you? Wait. I need you. I'm right over. I'm behind you. I'm right behind you.
I'm getting it away from you.
Why?
So, yeah.
Savage.
So savage. Who's shooting me? I don't believe in killing.
Good
I'm
try.
getting out because I'm pretty scared. That was a good idea. But now I'm dead. Thank you. Welcome to your destination.
Welcome to hell.
Welcome to your final destination.
No! Somebody revive me, please. Be a good chum and revive me.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
That is, oh my.
You didn't save me.
Because I was right. Oh, tank just blew up. Boom. I got 2 kills. You got 13 kills.
Boom, baby, boom.
Oh, I'm right behind you.
Oh, come on. Alright.
Let's go, vehicle buddies. I'm stuck. I am stuck by this.
Great job.
What is making me stuck? Full explosion. Giddy up, motherfucker. Out of my way, Clovelly.
You're in my way. What are you talking about?
Have set the charge on objective Bravo. The enemy has just defused the charge on objective Bravo.
I can't move.
Hostile searchers east of your current position.
What? How? How the bloody hell did he get me? You still alive?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I will.
No, I was gonna pick you up. Yeah, we won.
Kiss you.
Suck my nuts. How did I?
Oh.
Oh, sweet buttery Jesus, grant me thy peace. Yeah.
How many ribbons did you get?
I don't know. 2.
I got like 4.
You got 13.
And guess what? I'm number 5th.
I don't give a shit.
And you're number 7th.
I don't care, man.
And you're 3 and 9. I'm 14 and 6. Oh. Okay.
Was that by your ear?
That hurt me, okay? I thought we were friends.
No, it's like I put my hand right in my mic and go like, there.
Now, gosh. That would be kind of creepy. Actually, that'd be really creepy.
No, that would be wrong. Why are we attacking again?
You just saw, man.
I don't want to attack. They see me coming all the time, and they know that they're going to die. Yeah, Lava Squad! Surprise, there is no one by A. No, they're going for A. They're disarming A. Oh my god.
I killed people with repair tools. I killed 2 people with repair tool. I know it's probably not hard to do, but I that's pretty funny to me.
At least tell me you got that on video.
You got... I probably will now.
Oh my god, there's a hotel shitload of them over here.
Why do you say hotels? Some hotels aren't even that big.
No, I said, holy crap, there's a hotel shitload of them.
No, you said, yeah, hotel load of them. I'm like, there's some hotels aren't even that big. Oh, great, I was just reloading. I will not kiss you. I got it, video.
What? He did some kind of 360!
360 no scopes.
No, I mean he turned him...
He like turned on you.
No, he just went like
Turned
this.
you on?
Clover, look at me. Look at me. So he went like this.
Yeah, I know how you do it.
Oh, snap.
Snap, crackle, pop. Yeah, I got the lights. Yeah.
No, Clover, revenge me.
I'm trying. I think I did it. The new red